Okay, hello, what's up, guys? Meet with me again in this channel, Pertamu channel. This time we'll update information about FABA project. Yep, FABA project. And in this videos, I will continue to explaining about what the focus of FABA project. Okay, the focus on the transformation of today. Technology platform will replace the area of the industry. FABA helps and become a part of this transformation change. With IT, AI, blockchain, hardware, robotic, medicine, ecosystem, invention, innovation, and FABA project are the co-creators of human potential, and FABA project support project and time of the people with a globally positive ambition to influence the world, and FABA project understand the people who are behind the horizon of common human conversation. Okay, that's the focus of this project. And next I will introduce about FABA team. Who is the behind of FABA project? Some of them is Robert Flosius as CEO FABA Invest. Next, Mrs. Julia Jayakova as CFO of FABA Invest, and William Jalloul as mentor at FABA Invest, Jonathan Todd as mentor, and Maxim Believ, he is as idea maker. Martin Malek, Lenka Love as mentor, Alek Nakanochi as CTO FABA Invest, Mr. Zahar Deina as ICO advisor of FABA Invest, and the last, Mr. Radek Zeda as CSO FABA Invest. And many more. Okay, for more information about FABA project, you can check reviews about FABA Invest and some expert reviews such as coin schedule, ICO bands, top listing, ICO scroll, and ICO max. Okay, that's explaining about team of FABA project and some focus it about this project. Thanks for watching these videos.